Good morning, gang. Today we'll be talking about and installing 6 things that you can easily install into your Bronco from IAG. And I just want to say none of the products are sponsored by IAG. I just like their products, so I like to get them on, and they're well designed, good fitment for your Bronco, and they look good. Come on, let's go. All right, the first thing we're going to install is these door sills by IAG. Some of the tools that I like to use is microfiber cloth, rubbing alcohol, a X-Acto blade to help take off the backing from the stickers, because you have little stubby fingers like me, it'll help. And then, of course, the supplied adhesion promoter that make these stick onto your vehicle. All right, let's go. All right, first thing you're going to do is you're going to take some rubbing alcohol, put it on your microfiber cloth, and then you're going to rub down the area that you're going to be working with. Right here is a door sill, and this will help protect your paint, because your feet will drag mud and dirt all over this thing. Then you're going to do the back. So I just did the front. I'm going to do the back, because so they only give you one adhesion promoter for each side. So when you open up the adhesion promoter, you're going to wipe it on the back sill and the front sill. After I let the alcohol dry, the adhesion promoter, what I like to do is do one side where it's going to sit, and put that on there and let that get tacky. Then flip it over and do the other side, where it's gonna stick. You flip it inside out, do the other side. All right, let that get tacky. All right, before I mount anything, make sure you want to check the orientation of your door sill. I want it to go where the IAG's in the back. You kind of fit it to where you think it's going to go, and it looks like it's going to go right about like that. So next thing, we've taken off the sticker that goes here. This is where the X-Acto blade comes in, right here, and you start working off the corner piece, and you take off these red strips. All right. Basically, what you're doing is, on this double-sided strips tape, you're going to just want to peel up that lip. Be careful. You can just take your hand and you can, peel these off. And once you get them started, they come off real easy. Once you got all the tape off, you go ahead and remember your measurement. There's a little dot right back here I'm going to go off of, right here under the plastic here, and that's where I'm going to go. Set it in there first, push all the way, and just make sure it's nice and secure. All right. Let me show you that little dot. Okay, so the dot's right there. Just aligned it up with that, and she's on there. All right, go ahead and take the back of the double-sided tape off, and we're going to mount it there. Again, there's a little dot down here. That's where I'm going to place it. Right center with that. You push in first, get down, push in first, set it on it. And she's in. And door closes just fine. And then you do the same to the side. So when your kids are getting in, they come up here, and when you step down here, step here, scratch your car. So good to go. Do that to the other side and you're done. All right, here's the finished product. That's the passenger side, and they look good. Another easy feature that I got from AIG was this Molly panel, and it was super easy to install. What you do is you just take out the bolts that come out of your grab handle here, and they supply you with 2 new bolts, and then you pop out the little plastic clip from over there, and you put in their bolt over there. Oops, much slide in here, sorry, but the bolt goes under there. I had to replace the washer because I took this out of my old Bronco and used it, but what I use it for is I'm going to be holding my GMRS radio there. That's a very quick install. Should take you no more than 5-10 minutes if you're just hanging out and doing it. It's a good one. All right, the next thing we're going to do is these door handle where you open and close the doors. They look like carbon fiber. I got them from AIG. Again, you'll be using the adhesion promoter, a microfiber alcohol, and that X-Acto blade to take off the backing of the double-sided tape. All right, first you're going to check fitment, clean the area with alcohol, and then let it dry. Go to all 4 sides and prep your areas. And that way, once you get ready, you can just go ahead and peel and stick. Go ahead and add the adhesion promoter on the handles here. All right, so I put the adhesion promoter on. It got sticky and it's dry. Come over here. You can see, just align it. You want it, and stick. Look at that. Nice. You open it, whoop, shut it, close it. It's good. Looks good. Okay, so once you get that backing tape off, you flip it up, make sure it's on the right spot. You measure it. You did the other side for fitment. You just peel and push. There you go. Stick that bad boy on there. Look how sexy that makes that look. Ooh, I like it. All right, next up, we are going to do the console for the Bronco, and there's just like everything else, you have, like I said, you're going to need this, the adhesion promoter, microfiber cloth, the piece itself, and the X-Acto blade to help you with the backing of the 2-sided tape here. But with this, for an easier application, I highly recommend just taking off the grab handle here, so that this right here can slide on over there and get through here, and you can clean all it up and get it nice and sticky. So here we go. Okay, so once you get done with taking off the backing of this, go ahead and slide it in here. Takes a little bit of convincing here. Oops, wrong way. Okay, there you go. Happens this way, and then it slides right in. Goes in, and you just press, peel, and press. Make sure it's all compressed up there. All the stickies are getting to where they need to be. And that's it. There you go. Once you've taken off those sticky things, I've already prepped it, ready to go. This just fits right over here, over the handles, and you peel and press. And there you go. All done. Right. She's all in. All the knobs work. Good to go. Next, we're going to be putting these things, these door pocket holders, I guess. You put it in where your grab handles are in your door, and they add extra storage for you. Again, you're going to need the adhesive promoter, alcohol, microfiber cloth, and X-Acto knife. Well, I like the X-Acto knife so that it helps with peeling off the double-sided tape. All right, first things first, you're gonna clean off each door handle area with alcohol. Up. Get it good. Oops, sorry. And then you're just gonna get the other side the same way. Then you add the adhesion promoter. And you're gonna go all the way around. Do it. Make sure you get each side where that's gonna get sticky. And you're gonna do the same all the way around your car. Get it prepped. Do it all at once. Let it get dry, let it get sticky. All right, we're gonna do the other side. All right, just gonna take off the sticky part. Oh, I made it worse. Okay, so you're just gonna fit it right in here. It sits flush. Just put it on the sticky right back there. Peel and stick, and you're good to go. That's it. All right, sticky side goes towards the door. Slide it in like that. Press. And that's it. You can put stuff in there, cell phones and whatnot. All right, there you go. It adds a little bit of storage, so you can have your, your snacks for the trips, and they look good. And yeah, they're easy to put in. All right, good. All right, last piece of the AIG things to make your Bronco more functional are these back panels to the back of the seats. They just Velcro on, but they protect that back carpet area from getting all kinds of stuff on it. And plus, if you got dogs, the dogs walk on it, and it protects the hair on it and stuff like that. So anyway, that concludes all the things from AIG. There might be a bonus plus 1 or 2 for the 5 that I initially thought, but there's a lot that I have from AIG. This came out of my old Bronco and it fits right back in. All right guys, that about does it for me for today. Just some quick things from AIG I really like, really functional. That makes your Bronco functional and pop, and it's easy to install. If I can do it, you can do it. So anyways, if you like the content, subscribe and push that like button. That helps the channel. I appreciate every one of you helping me out and grow this channel, and hopefully I can get more content out there for you. I will be going on a trip over to across the Pacific, but I'll be filming some of that and getting that on to some content, so some sort. All right guys, I hope you guys are having a great weekend, and remember, if there's an adventure, go check them out and enjoy. Thanks guys.